Okay, I'm just going to show you how to play music or stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2017 Audi S5. So from any screen, we're on nothing at the moment, it's just on telephone, but we can put it on sat nav, so it's on sat nav now. We go to music on your phone, we'll click here on that record, you'll see at the bottom there. If I go on the silver triangle and the three silver circles, it's not showing anything, it's just showing iPhone. Which is strange. So over here we go to media. Radio and media are on the right hand button. So radio forward, media backwards. We'll click on media. No device connected. You've got here a menu and you've got a plus there. If I click over there to that menu, external audio player, Bluetooth audio player deactivated. We want that activated. So I'm going to go down to Bluetooth audio player, deactivated. Click on that, switch on Bluetooth audio player. It says the Bluetooth audio player is unavailable, the function is switched off. So we'll click on that, connect Bluetooth audio player. Click again, find new devices. We want Barry's iPhone, that's what I want. Now it's come up. It is so unbelievably complicated. It's stupid, absolutely ridiculous. Complicated. The good thing is once you've done it once, you shouldn't have to do it again. So that's it playing there. If I turn that up, and it's a great system in the Audi S5, so it's worth persevering. But I'll show you in a minute. It's got Apple CarPlay as well, and you should forget about that.